Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now measurement of the solute, we have equivalent. So what is equivalent? Equivalent is 1 mole of the solute, 1 mole of the solute along with equivalence is equal to V equivalent of the solute. That means if you do the maths calculation, 1 equivalent is equal to 1 mole of any ionized substance. If you divide the mole with valency, then we get the equivalent. So 1 equivalent is equal to 1 mole of any ionized substance divided by valency. We call it as equivalence. So if you see 1 mole of sodium is equivalent to 1 milli equivalence of sodium. Why? Because 1 mole, valency of sodium, here valency of sodium is equal to 1. So 1 mole by 1 valency is equal to 1 milli equivalent of sodium.
thank you and thank you for watching.